everyone, welcome to ARCR Technologies Private Limited. Today we are going to discuss about how to upload subplans. Same as packages, we can upload many subplans in a single step instead of creating individual. Subplans are helpful in validating the packages and to give pricing to particular packages. To upload subplans, go to Tariff Plans and click on Upload Plans. To upload the data in CSV file, you should follow the column instructions. Mandatory fields: package name, price, unit, unit type. These are the files that cannot be left empty in the CSV file. Duration type: if the subplan duration type is in days, months or year, then enter the numeric value of them. Tap on click here to get the sample CSV file. Open the downloaded CSV file. Here you can see package name, subplan name, price, unit and duration type. In the place of package name, you have to enter the same package name that you have created in packages or enter the packages which you want to give to the subplan. Subplan name: you can give your subplan name according to your plan type. Some examples are shown here: 1 month, 2 months, 28 days, 1 year, 12 months, 30 days. Next, price. Enter the price which you want to give to the packages. Next, unit. Enter the units of the subplan which you have given. For example, if you give 1 month, then unit will be 1. If it is 30 days, then unit will be 30. If it is 1 year, then unit will be 1. Likewise, you have to enter the unit column. Next, duration type. If your duration type is in days, months or year, then you should enter the numeric value which are given in column instructions. After filling all the data in CSV file, save the file. Go to the Upload Subplan page, then click on Browse to select the CSV file which you have saved. Select the file and click on Save. Now, new page will be opened as shown in the screen. Then cross-check the details. If all the details are perfect, then click on Save Here. Finally, subplans will be uploaded successfully. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections. And if you found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel ARCR Technologies Private Limited. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.